Top 5 Best Premium Portable Wireless Doorbell. Number 1. Honeywell RCWL L300A1006 Doorbell. Our top pick for the best wireless doorbell comes from Honeywell, more specifically the RCWL L300A1006 Premium Portable Model. Comprised of a wireless door chime and a minimalist yet stylish push button, this wireless doorbell also has a very attractive price and tons of extra features that make it an excellent purchase. With a 250 feet operating range, this Honeywell wireless doorbell features 3 chime tunes and 3 visual icons and can work with 3 push buttons. Number 2. Honeywell RCWL L300A1006 Doorbell.
Salute sports and more. Or you can even download your own songs of your choice. It's a unique way to greet your guests. Another Honeywell advantage: portability. If you spend a lot of time on the deck, outside in the yard, or in various areas of a multi-level home, a Honeywell wireless portable unit goes where you go. Our unmatched range of up to 450 feet assures you'll be alerted whether you are in your home or yard. An optional flashing indicator light is perfect for use in a home with napping little ones, for alerting those with hearing disabilities, or with home offices. The Honeywell advantage also means style. Honeywell door chimes and push buttons come in a variety of designs, including wood grains that can be painted or stained to match your color scheme, or decorative glass and metal options. Your Honeywell chimes can easily match the look you desire and really accent your style, not detract from it. And as always,
Number 3. Honeywell RCWL105A1003/N plug-in doorbell. For someone looking for a simple and affordable wireless doorbell that just gets the job done without too many additional whistles and bells, we highly recommend this model. Although the operating range is relatively small at just 100 feet and requires a plug-in power supply, the affordable price makes it a worthwhile purchase. But don't let the cheap price fool you. This wireless doorbell. Number 4. GE 19209 Wireless Doorbell.
And the next one is the doorbell, standard doorbell sound. The next one is the cuckoo clock. There you go. The next one is the sounds like a door knocking. The next one is the like a boxing ring bell. It's loud.
Number 5. Honeywell RCWL250A1006 Doorbell. Same quality as the best Honeywell wireless doorbells and the same features, but with a slightly different design. The RCWL250A1006 Decor Doorbell is the highest rated doorbell on Amazon by customers, with an average rating of 4.7 out of 5. We have not seen anything more impressive in this doorbell that the best doorbells do not offer in terms of functionality. Great 450 feet operating range, up to 6 push buttons, motion sensors, or chime tunes.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.